Who is it? Who is it? Fifi. You coming in? Here, come on in. Say excuse me. Say excuse me, Millie. Millie, inside. Sophie, what color are your Crocs? What color? Yellow Crocs? Who are you looking for? Emma? I don't know where she is. Oh, I see her.
Hold on, Daddy, I want to tell you something.
What?
Did you know today in the afternoon, Mom, Sophie came to my class to stay all the way until Mommy got to my school.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You did that?
Oh.
Sophie, how was school today? You picking your nose?